Okay, let's get to the bottom of this. The student wants to emphasize a similarity between the Choctaw code talkers and Navajo code talkers. Similarity between their talkers. Okay, that's going to be important. So which means that both people or both group must be mentioned. If you see only one group mentioned in this contrast and similarity, then that's going to be eliminated. Alright, so let's read this. In World War I, US soldiers who were members of the Choctaw Nation in Oklahoma participated in the Choctaw Code Talker program. Okay, the Choctaw Code Talkers were trained to relay coded military information in their native language. So we have World War I, then we have World War II. Two different era. So let's read the next one. The US Army recruited Navajo Diné soldiers to transmit coded message in their native language. These soldiers were known as the Navajo code talkers. Now, if you compare these two groups in two different times, you can clearly see that they are relaying coded military message in their native language, and then here transmit coded message in their native language. This is a similarity. We are talking about what they do to help win the war. So as long as we mention that their job is to relay the coded message in their native language, we have it. So choice A, US soldiers who were members of the Choctaw Nation in Oklahoma using their native language to relay. Even though he talked about the relay coded information, remember I said earlier, if you talk about similarity and only one group is mentioned, then that one is out. Choice B, in World War II, one group of Navajo soldiers were known as Navajo code talkers, just like choice A. This does not talk about the other group being compared, so B is out. Choice C, both the Choctaw code talkers and Navajo code talkers, so that's a good point that we mentioned both, and the word both, the adverb both is actually good one here. Transmitted coded military messages in soldiers' native language. It's exactly what I highlighted earlier. Coded military message in soldiers' native languages. Perfect. So C should be the answer. But last but not least, let's also talk about choice D. The Choctaw code talkers, not the Navajo code talkers, served in World War I. If the question was about contrast, that would be okay. But this is about similarity, so D is out.